Hello, everybody. So this session is about Palo Alto Destination NAT with DNS rewrite concept. So I am pretty much sure, guys, this concept is not available everywhere, but I'm going to, you know, provide you the idea, the knowledge, and the way how we can configure on the Palo Alto Firewall, and in which case it is required to rewrite our DNS traffic. Okay. So, for example, guys, this is our inside PC. Okay. Maybe from this PC, if you are trying to do NS lookup, www.paloaltonetworks.com, www.paloaltonetworks.com. Okay, and maybe the DNS which should resolve this IP, or we can say like this application is binded with the IP which is hosted on the internet outside. Okay, maybe external DNS. Okay, so but maybe our scenario is, our case is, our goal is, if you try to do NS lookup to www.paloaltonetworks.com, it will, give one IP address, public IP address. In our case, it is, if you do NS lookup, I am doing on the inside PC. So this is the IP 23 211.155.112, right? So if you are doing NS lookup to www.paloaltonetworks.com, it resolving on public IP. Okay. But if you want someone is do NS lookup, instead of resolving that public IP, it should be resolved to this IP address. This is our DMZ server IP address. So instead of that public IP address, it should rewrite to the 10.2.2.10. Okay. So the people from so inside or maybe outside, someone you trying to hit www.paloaltonetworks.coms, it is hosted somewhere on the internet, external DNS on the internet. But if you want that traffic, if traffic come to the firewall, it will rewrite to the other DNS. It will rewrite to the other IP address, that is 10.2.2.10. This is our DMZ server IP address. Okay. So in that case, guys, if someone is trying to access on the PC www.paloaltonetworks.com, these types of things will open, like applications and other stuffs related to paloaltonetworks.com. Okay. But once we can redirect this traffic, it will it will redirect to the IP 10.2.2.10, and whatever content inside this server, maybe it is HTTP server, that content, this PC, this inside PC will be received. So in this scenario, guys, we use DNS rewrite. Okay, it is very simple concept, very easy to configure. Let's go on the firewall. I hope you guys understand the concept. In short, I can tell again, there is server, DNS server which is hosted on the outside, that is external DNS server. If you want your applications, for example, in our case, because there is no any external DNS in my case, so I'm using one public application, that is it is like basically Palo Alto website, Palo Alto application, www.paloaltonetworks.com. In maybe our case, maybe our company website, which is banded with some public IP which is hosted on the internet. But if you want someone try to do NS lookup of that applications, it should be rewrite to our DMZ server IP address or other server IP address, or maybe as per the requirement. Okay. But in our case, there is no any external DNS. So that is the reason I am using publicly resolved application, that is www.paloaltonetworks.com. Okay. So let me show you again, guys. So if I'm doing NS lookup here, see here, if I'm trying to do NS lookup, www.paloaltonetworks.com, it is going to resolve to the IP. Just 1 minute. It is resolving IP 23 211.155.112. But once we configure DNS rewrite, it is going to be resolved with private IP, that is our DMZ server IP, this one, 10.2.2.10. Okay. So let's configure it. So we need to come on the firewall, guys. Security policy is required from inside to DMZ or inside to outside. That is fine. I hope it is already there on your scenario. So we'll only focus on the DNS rewrite concept. Destination NAT DNS rewrite concept. So please make sure it is destination NAT with concept DNS rewrite. Okay. So we can give name like DNAT um, rewrite and our original packet outside. Source will be outside because this is hosted somewhere on the internet and someone from outside is trying to access the application which is also outside. And what is the destination address? This is the destination address 23.211 155.112. So 23.211.155 dot let me cross check 23.211.155.112 112. So someone from outside is trying to do NS lookup of the application www.paloautonetworks.com. Okay, so if the packet look like this, we are telling to do a static NAT because we are using destination NAT with DNS rewrite concept. Okay, please translate it to 10.2.2.10 and enable DNS rewrite, and we can use forward here. So the people who is from inside or maybe outside who is trying to access www.paloautonetworks.com do the NS lookup www.paloautonetworks.com, the traffic come to the firewall and firewall is trying to rewrite rewrite the DNS traffic to the other IP address. Okay, 10.2.2.10. Okay, and then we can keep this rule on the top and then we can commit it. So once commit is done, guys, and we'll try to do NS lookup. So it will rewrite to the private IP, which is our DMZ server IP address. See, guys. So commit is done. I think commit is successful at 99% completed. See, when I do the NS lookup www.paloautonetworks.com, now it is a rewrite. DNS is getting rewrite to the 10.2.2.10. Earlier it was 23.211.155.112. So this is how we can rewrite the DNS traffic, guys. Okay. And if you'll try to access this, maybe I will not access this because we have a DNS is changed, right? Okay, so this is the concept of guys DNS rewrite in Palo Alto. So this concept comes on the destination NAT with DNS rewrite concept. Okay, so I hope this video is informative and knowledgeable for you guys. I am if you really like my efforts, please share, like, subscribe as much as possible, and let's meet on the next session. Thank you very much for your time and thanks for watching.